Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll discuss how to edit the terminal properties database table. To edit the terminal properties database table, you need to use the catalog browser tool. So to choose that tool, make sure that you are in the schematic tab, and then in the insert components panel, you need to go to the icon menu drop down and choose this catalog browser tool. On choosing this tool, the catalog browser dialog box is displayed. To display the terminal properties database table in this catalog browser dialog box, you need to select terminals in the category drop down list. Now here I can remove the specific search, if any, in the search field, and then I can choose the search button again, so that now all the terminals in the terminal properties database table are displayed in this catalog browser dialog box. Right now the catalog browser dialog box is in the lookup mode. After selecting the terminals category, I need to right click on any of the column and I need to choose the more from the shortcut menu. On doing so, the columns to display dialog box is displayed. Here I can select all the columns checkbox so that all the columns will be displayed in this catalog browser dialog box. Next, I need to choose the edit catalog database button so that the catalog browser dialog box is now in the edit mode. Now you can see that all the cells are now editable. So this way now you can modify the terminal properties database table. So now if I want to increase the levels, I can go to this level cell and I can enter here 2. Next I can just click on the browse button and I can write here double so that name of the second level is given. Now I will enter wires per connection as 2. So this way I can click on any of the cell and I can modify it. So this is how I can modify the terminal properties database table, and after modification I need to choose the accept changes button to accept those changes in the terminal properties database table. You can even access the catalog browser dialog box by choosing the edit button from the edit components panel of the schematic tab, and then you can select any of the terminal that can be edited. On doing so, the insert edit terminal symbol dialog box is displayed. We have discussed all the options in this dialog box in one of our earlier lectures. Next, I need to choose the catalog lookup button from this dialog box so that the catalog browser dialog box is displayed, and here terminals category is already selected. And now I can remove the specific search. I can add the columns in the catalog browser dialog box, and then I can choose the edits catalog database button to switch the catalog browser dialog box to edit mode, and then I can modify the terminals to edit the terminal properties database table. So that is all in this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll discuss how to resequence the terminals, how to copy the terminal properties, and we'll also discuss how to edit the jumpers of the terminals. Thank you guys for watching.